Across the world there are many weird and wonderful creatures that call planet Earth home. Some of which are a man's best friend, others often misunderstood, and some that are terrifyingly dangerous. In this video we will take you through the top 10 most dangerous animals that roam planet Earth. Number 10. The box jellyfish. Box jellyfish are found floating at slow speeds, up to 8 km per hour, in warm coastal waters all around the world, but the deadly variety tend to live in the Indian and Pacific Oceans around northern Australia. Considered the most venomous marine animal in the world, their bioluminescent box-like shape drags around 15 tentacles growing up to 3 meters each, all lined with thousands of nematocysts, or stinging cells that are responsible for approximately 100 human deaths a year. Their toxins attack the skins, nervous system, and heart, and whilst antivenom does exist for the box jellyfish, most casualties go into shock and die of drowning or heart failure well before they get to a hospital. Number 9. Cape buffalo. The Cape buffalo is without a doubt one of the most dangerous animals in Africa and is sometimes referred to as Widowmaker or the Black Death. These aggressive and unpredictable beasts can weigh up to 1,000 kilograms and grow up to 1.7 meters tall. They're fearless and will mob any predator that dares to take its young. They usually travel in herds but are one of the few animals in Africa that will actively stalk and kill humans if alone. The buffalo was a favorite of trophy hunters, hence their status as one of the Big Five, and are known to attack humans by circle back on their victims before charging, then trampling or goring them to death using their sharp horns. Buffaloes kill an estimated 200 people every year. Number 8. Lion. As the apex predator of the African wild, the lion is one of the world's top predators. Whilst humans are not their natural prey, each year an estimated 200 people are killed by lions. Sick male lions are mostly responsible for this death rate, along with opportunistic attacks in areas where the lion's natural prey has been depleted. Whilst there have been a handful of reported deaths of tourists or guides being killed by this keystone species during a safari game drive, these cases are very much the exception. The vast majority of humans killed by lions are of locals going about their daily lives in or on the fringes of African game reserves. Number 7. African elephant. Reaching weights of up to 7,000 kilograms, the world's largest land animals can often be unpredictable, with older bull elephants, young males, and elephants with babies particularly dangerous to anything that crosses their path. Unprovoked attacks by elephants on humans are occasionally reported, usually by male elephants in musth, a sexually active period when testosterone levels increase. Each year around 500 human deaths are caused by African elephants trampling and crushing their victims. In areas where poaching occurs, or the elephant's habitat is in danger, elephants tend to be much more aggressive. Number 6. Tapeworm. This is an unexpectedly small killer. There are many tapeworm species, parasites that live in the small intestines of many different species of animals. The Echinococcus group of tapeworms are most dangerous to humans, and measure just 6 millimeters in length, and found in raw or undercooked meat. Their size is not indicative of the damage they can cause, however, which if left untreated leads to severe symptoms and can be fatal, which contributes to around 700 human deaths a year. Number 5. Crocodile. Found in the tropical regions of Africa, Asia, Australia, and the Americas, crocodile live in lakes, rivers, wetlands, and even some saltwater areas. The larger saltwater crocodile and Nile crocodile species are the most dangerous, regularly killing people in parts of Asia and Africa. Know the key differences between crocodiles and alligators? Known for their ambush hunting technique, the crocodiles are indiscriminate hunters and attack any animal that comes within reach, including humans. Their attack usually takes the form of launching from the water and clamping its victim in its powerful jaws, dragging them back into the water to drown them before stashing them under submerged branches or rocks to eat later. Attacks on humans usually occur when people are washing close to riverbanks and lochshores, and when fishermen are getting in and out of their boats. Around 40% of crocodile attacks on humans are fatal, with children more at risk than adults due to their size. The risk of crocodile attacks has been shown to increase in the warmer season when the crocodiles have more energy. Number 4. Hippopotamus. With so many dangerous animals in Africa, many people often overlook the fact that the hippopotamus is actually the biggest killer of humans of all large African animals. Although hippos are herbivores, these highly territorial animals are estimated to kill an incredible 3,000 people per year. Male hippos fiercely defend their territories, which include the banks of rivers and lakes, while female hippos can get extremely aggressive if they sense anything getting in between them and their babies, who stay in the water while they feed on the shore. Did you hear about the pink hippo milk rumor? Hippos weigh up to 1,500 kilograms, the third biggest animal in Africa behind the elephant and rhino, and can run on land at speeds of up to 30 kilometers per hour. Combine this with their aggressive nature, agility in and out of the water, and sharp, half-meter teeth and enormous jaws, and you can understand why hippos make for such a fearsome creature to encounter. Number 3. Roundworms. Another unexpected tiny killer, the Ascaris roundworm parasites are most commonly found in cats, dogs, and foxes, and can infect humans if they handle soil or sand contaminated with infected animal feces. For most people, an infection causes no symptoms, and the parasites die within a few months, but in some cases the roundworm larvae infect organs such as the brain, eyes, or lungs, and cause severe symptoms and eventually death, which contributes to 4,500 deaths a year. Number 2. Snakes. It would have been hard to list each snake species of dangerous snake separately along with their kill numbers, as for most snakebite deaths, the species of snake is not known by the person who was bitten. That said, there are plenty of species of exceptionally venomous snakes living in many parts of the world which kill on average 100,000 people every year. Black mambas are generally regarded as one of the deadliest snakes in the world, and for good reason. They are large, one of the world's fastest snakes, have a well-developed vision, and are a highly aggressive snake when cornered, known to attack and strike repeatedly. On top of this behavior, black mambas have extremely toxic venom, with one bite containing enough neuro and cardiotoxins to kill 10 people and a 100% fatality rate for untreated bites. Number 1. The biggest yearly killer is a tiny irritating one, the mosquito. Although the tiny mosquito may look far less impressive than the other large creatures on this list, it is far and away the most dangerous animal in the world. The many species of mosquito, in sub-Saharan Africa and Asia particularly, carry several different potentially fatal mosquito-borne diseases, including yellow fever, Zika virus, West Nile virus, dengue fever, and of course malaria. Between them, these diseases kill an estimated 1 million people each year. Be careful out there the next time you wander unsupervised. We hope you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed making it. Please subscribe to our channel and give this video a big thumbs up.